I want to make water sounds with my mouth. So first you need to not breathe, then make your whistling face, then flick your cheek, and finally force your tongue to your teeth. So this took way longer than I thought. I absolutely destroyed my fingers and cheeks. I tried flicking in different places, readjusting my mouth, using my left hand or both hands, but all I needed to do was flick harder, which destroyed my cheeks even more and forced me to use my left hand because it's stronger. And I needed to flick this very specific spot where the sound would actually go into my mouth and not into my teeth. And for that, I needed to use my right hand again. So this is the final result. I know it's not the best, but it's good enough. You can also watch the video on the screen of me learning how to Persian snap.